Okay, hi guys. I hope everyone is doing great. So, as you would have seen in the thumbnail, we are going to look at some strap options, cheaper strap options for the Apple Watch Ultra. I can understand that the price of the Apple Watch Ultra is quite hefty, and buying first party Apple straps are going to be quite expensive. They cost around 9,500 rupees per strap, and that's, I mean, exorbitant. उतने में तो यार एक नया घड़ी ही आ जाता है. So I'm sure कि हम लोगों को जो स्ट्रैप मिलता है एप्पल वॉच के साथ, so that's a bit boring after some point of time. So today we are going to look at some different watch options. I came across this website called Daily Objects, and I picked up a couple of strap options. So we are going to unbox them and have a look कि कैसे straps provide करते हैं. And as you can see in my watch, I got the green Alpine loop. So I ordered the ocean loop and the trail loop. So let's have a look. So guys, from the initial impressions, अगर दूर से देखें, so it absolutely resembles the original trail loop. I have seen that watch strap, and minus the quality and I guess the titanium metal which they use, which Apple uses, उसको छोड़ के I think there is no other issue with the strap. It is stretchable. The color is almost on point. Yeah, so it looks quite nice in my opinion. Now let's check out the other one. Okay, so the quality of the Ocean Band is also quite nice. These also resemble the original Apple Watch strap. However, I'm noticing one thing right out of the bat, that the buckles on this are some sort of chrome metal type of buckle. I believe it is stainless steel. Whereas in the original one, we get the actual matte finish titanium, just like the Apple Watch case. So that is the giveaway. But I think other than that, considering the price point, it is quite a robust material and almost as good as the original ocean strap. I mean, from a distance, if you are wearing this from first glance or initial glance, I don't think anyone will be able to, tell that this is not the actual strap. It goes well with it. So now I think we'll try it on. Okay, so we'll just take out this strap and apply the others and see how they look on the watch. So I think I'll go with the trail loop first. Yeah, you don't hear the click, but I believe it's there in position. It wobbles a bit, unlike the original strap. Let's check it out. Let's see how it feels on the wrist. Okay, so the material is quite stretchy like the original Apple Watch strap, and I believe it is quite comfortable on the wrist as well. I mean, no problems with the hair on the wrist. It's the stretchy fabric material. I believe if you get it wet, thoda sa gila agar hoga, so it might take some time to dry off, but other than that, it looks pretty awesome in my opinion. The black and orange combination also goes very well with the Apple Watch itself, with the orange action button and the orange accent on the pull tab over here on the strap. It really looks very well. So I'll just rotate my wrist so that you can get an overall view and look and feel of it. So guys, comment down below and let me know how this Apple strap looks on the Apple Watch. Now let's check out the other one. So I believe we need to pull it from the other way. Yes, got it. Another thing which I'm noticing right now is that in the actual Ocean strap, we have the option of opening this loop so that we can adjust the back strap um, length. So here I feel there is no option to do that. It is only stuck at this level. I guess we got to live with that. So let's try this out. This also wobbles and is not 100% firm as the original Apple straps. The click sound is slightly there, but not as satisfactory like the original Apple straps. So let's try this one out. Okay, so this is the Ocean strap. Let me know guys, what do you feel? So this is the part which I was talking about. So as you can see, we have got this much of extra strap sticking out from the back. In the original strap, this is the part, this is the steel part which we can adjust. This is the buckle which we can adjust. We can open it and block it at a higher level so that this is not that much visible. But in this we can't do that. Otherwise the look and feel of it, it's quite nice looking. It's good for if you're much more into outdoor activities like gymming, swimming and all these things, where we tend to sweat a lot and we get the watch wet. So unlike the fabric band, this one is water repellent and would be ideal for a sport activity like swimming or training or running. And I guess we can wash our hands off also without worrying about getting the strap wet. So guys, that was it from my side. These were the two watch straps from Daily Objects. So now I'll just let you know about the pricing. So I had ordered both of these straps a couple of days back. So there was a promotional offer going on, 50% off. So I'm not very sure of how much individually they costed me. I think around 500-600 bucks or 700 bucks a piece. Total was close to around 11 or 1200 rupees after putting in some promotional discounts as well. Unfortunately, that offer has ended, but I believe still some or the other offer is going on. I'll leave the link down below in the description so you can go and check out Daily Objects website, and if you like, you can order these cheap watch straps for your Apple Watch. It is a much suitable alternative as compared to the original Apple Watch straps, which cost 9,500 rupees per strap. So I believe there is a watch strap for every occasion, every outfit. So we can mix and match and order some colorful and different unique designs and materials from these websites and look flashy. So that was it from my side. If you like to watch more content, more videos related to tech, so please consider subscribing. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.